Hey guys, my name's Alex and this is Heavy Throttle. I've got a really special treat for you all today. It is October 2022 and I can guarantee you haven't seen this car on the road. Well, almost guarantee anyways. So what is it? It's a 300 horsepower, 273 foot-pounds of torque, 1.3 liter, 3-cylinder engine. Can you guess what it is? Let's go take a look. Give you a little shot here. That's right, it's a Toyota Corolla GR. And we are excited to unveil it here. This is the Cusco car. You all will be able to see this at SEMA this year, coming up in just 3 weeks. You can finally see it live, and that's when you'll be able to see this video actually too. So this does share the same motor as the GR Yaris, but they've beefed it up a little bit. It's about 43 more horsepower, now up to 300. They're gonna have a couple of different additions out. So we are super excited to see when this comes to the US. These are not the factory wheels. However, most of the other parts are pretty much factory in the body so far. This will be coming with a body kit when it comes to SEMA. Otherwise, Cusco's making a couple parts for it. It's gonna be really sweet with all the things that they have. As you can see, we don't see the OE paint. This is wrapped right now. But beautiful body line. Very wide actually, wider than we expected. This is the stock exhaust so far. So we're gonna do a little startup video for you guys shortly, separate from this. That way you can just kind of see what it sounds like. No, we won't rev it, so don't worry. All right, so let's go ahead. We're gonna load the trailer down and get this guy off. We're gonna hop in the car here, take it off the trailer, the Futura trailer, and we're gonna drive it around just out in the little area right there, just so we can get a nice perspective of the car. Does come as all-wheel drive, the GR4 all-wheel drive. Got some bread seats in it. Let's take it out to the street right here and just take a nice little walk around. All right, she is sexy. Take a quick walk around. You think it's such a small car, but actually it's a bit bigger than you think. Pretty wide on the trailer. Fenders are nice and flared. It's got the big grille and vent here. Keep the Toyota look. Comes with hood vents as well. I know some editions will actually come with a carbon fiber roof. Not the base that I know of. You can actually manipulate where you want the power to go. You can have a 50-50 ratio front rear. You can have 30-70, so you can slide around. You can also have 60-40, so have a bit more power in the front. Lots of options that are going to come from factory with this car. I'm super excited about this car. I can't wait. We're going to take it out for sure one day. Not yet, but soon enough. And I'm really hoping that, you know, there's going to be more competitors. I mean, you got the Civic Type R, you've got the Golf R. But yeah, this is a really nice machine that they put out. Finally got the Corolla going. All right, guys, so again, this is the 2023 Toyota Corolla GR, 300 horsepower, 273 foot-pounds of torque. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at SEMA.